Make sure it is OK. Press input. Press start. The axis will rotate. Press hand pause. After pressing the hand pause, control it with your hand pause. Left side of hand pause. XYZ respectively represent. X is left and right, Y is before and after, Z is the right spindle up and down. Z represents the up and down spindle on the left side of the axis. The one on the left is proportional speed. X100 is the fastest grade, represents 0.1 毫米. X10 is 1 grade, represents 0.01 毫米. 1 square of X1 represents a move. After the progress, control it with hand pause. Move the spindle to the product. Turn X first. Then turn Y. Move it over, close to product. After getting so close, then turn the hand pause to 4, down. Then turn X again to get closer to it. What about after you get closer to the product and lean upright? Change the ratio from 100 to 10. Come closer one by one. OK, until the centering bar is divided, the silver and the gold parts are separated. After they are separated, turn the hand pause to 4. Return the ratio to 100, shake up, let centering bar leave the product. Then we return to the system. Click relative coordinates. Then press relative coordinate zeroing. We touch towards the left and right X. We have to click X zeroing. After X is zeroing, then use your hand pause to shake X to 5. Shake to 5. Press X zeroing again. So now we have found the 0 point of X. Let's operate the Y axis in the same way. First shake the X a little bit. Shake to Y again. Then turn 4 and shake it down. Turn Y again and come closer. Lean straight first. Get upright, the ratio from 100 to 10. Come closer. OK. After the silver and gold are separated, it reached the position. Then turn the hand pause to 4. Increase the proportion, raise it up. Leave product surface. Same thing, go back to the system just now. Don't need to press relative coordinates and relative coordinates zeroing. So now we just need to press Y zeroing. Then shake the Y axis 5 毫米 in the positive direction. OK, press Y zeroing again. Then turn the hand pause to X. Adjust the value of X to 0. Then this point, it is a product 0 point of our XY axis. After searching, let's turn the hand pause all the way to the left, close it and hang it back. Then click again zeroing relative coordinates. Turn this menu off. Then open G54 G59 coordinate system. Then when you first open it, our cursor is at the X position of G54. Press input machine coordinates. He will put the current machine position, automatically recorded. Then use this arrow key to move the cursor to Y of G54. Then press input machine coordinates. After recording, move the cursor to the X of G55. Same as input machine coordinates. Come down input machine coordinates. Record G54 and G55 as the same, then close this interface. Open attached coordinate. Remember this value in PE. X and Y in PE, they are the spindle on the left. Go to the spindle on the right, the offset between the two spindles. Remember this number. -177.21 positive 0.02 closure. Reopen G54 G59. Move the cursor to the X of G55. Press increment input. Then enter -177.21 just now. Check it again. Press input again. He will ask for it automatically. Press the cursor to Y-axis 加 input. 0.02 inspection one time. Press input again. Good. In this case, all the 0 XY points found. No need centering bar. Install it on another spindle, looking for it again. Then close this interface. Press reset to stop the spindle. After the spindle stops, press zeroing again. Raise the spindle. 4-axis reset.